Aleem, thank you so much for coming to Marketfield and sharing your storytelling with our students. They have absolutely loved their day. You've got children that really struggle with reading engaged, those children that are pre-verbal engaged. All of our students have loved the assemblies. To see them singing, dancing, clapping and joining in was amazing. We've had some fantastic quotes from students, some of them saying things like it's been the best day ever, can he come back, how much is it, somebody offered a £5 for him to come back tomorrow. We've had students saying that they wish that he worked here. We've had students saying that they didn't think stories were so much fun. And my favourite quote of all quotes was, Aleem, could you be a therapist, please? And when I asked, why do you think Aleem should be a therapist? He said, because he makes us smile, he makes people happy, and he makes stories fun. So thanks again. Thanks so much for coming. We can't wait to see you, and good luck.